Is your GPS not working or showing the wrong location on your iPhone? This can happen because of a weak signal or location settings. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes so you can get your GPS working again on your iPhone. Solution 1. Reset your network connection. GPS needs a stable internet connection. If your connection is not stable, then try resetting your network. So to do that, first open Settings on your phone. Then scroll down and go to General. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your password. If it's required, then again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. And you are done. Solution 2. Enable location services. Go back to Settings, then scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Now tap on Location Service. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Also tap on Location Alerts under Location Services and turn it on, so your iPhone can provide accurate positioning. Solution 3. Check Location Access for Maps. Again, go to your settings. Now scroll down to Apps. Tap on it. Then here in the search bar, search for Maps. Tap on it. Then tap on Location and select while using the app. And also turn on this precise location. So that's how you can fix it if your GPS is not working on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.